In the heart of the jungle, there was a peacock named Perry. Perry had the most beautiful blue and green feathers that sparkled in the sunlight. He loved to spread his tail and show off his colors to all the other animals. But Perry wasn't just about looks. He had a kind heart and always looked for ways to help his friends. One sunny morning, Perry heard a loud rumble. It was his friend Elmer, the elephant, who seemed troubled. Elmer's large ears were drooping, and his gray skin looked dull. Perry fluttered over and asked, "What's wrong, Elmer?" Elmer sighed. "The watering hole is drying up, and all the animals are getting thirsty." Perry peered over the edge of the watering hole and saw that Elmer was right. The water was so low that the smaller animals couldn't reach it. Perry thought hard. He knew he had to do something to help his friends. "Don't worry, Elmer. I'll think of a plan," he declared with confidence. Perry strutted around the jungle, thinking of a solution. As he walked, he noticed his reflection in a small puddle. An idea struck him like a flash of lightning. "What if we can bring the water to the animals instead of them coming to the watering hole?" he thought aloud. Excitedly, Perry shared his idea with Elmer. "We can use big leaves to carry water from the river." Elmer's eyes brightened, and he flapped his large ears in agreement. Together, they found the biggest leaves they could and started their mission to save the jungle's thirst. Perry and Elmer worked tirelessly, ferrying water from the river to the drying watering hole. The other animals watched in awe as the peacock's vibrant feathers shimmered and the elephant's strong back carried the heavy load. Slowly but surely, the watering hole began to fill up. The smaller animals, like the rabbits and squirrels, cheered as they could finally drink again. Perry and Elmer smiled at each other, knowing they had made a difference. The jungle was filled with laughter and gratitude, and Perry felt proud that his idea had worked. As the sun set, painting the sky with oranges and pinks, Perry and Elmer sat by the replenished watering hole. They watched as the animals came to drink and play. "We did it together," Elmer said softly. Perry nodded, his feathers catching the last light of the day. "Yes, together." From that day on, Perry and Elmer were known as the heroes of the jungle. They had shown that with a little creativity and a lot of teamwork, any problem could be solved. And Perry learned that sometimes the best way to shine is by helping others. Hey there, thanks for listening to our story today. If you want to get a new story every day, make sure to subscribe. Or, if you want to generate your own customized stories using the power of AI, download the Storigami app for iPhone and iPad today.